Welcome back everyone. Today I've got another review and unboxing of this Haden temperature controlled 1.7 litre Dorchester kettle. Now I've bought this to replace my current kettle, which is this one here, KitchenAid kettle, which I did a review on. Again, it's a temperature variable controlled kettle. This unfortunately has been crap because within about 4 months it started to leak out of here, so steam started to leak out of here. And then the lid unfortunately doesn't always open, which is incredibly frustrating. So you can see already it's a pain to open up, so it doesn't always open. And also sometimes when you plug it in, it won't power on, and it kind of varies between working or not working. So I did do a review on this, and this is the second kettle I've had from KitchenAid, exactly the same model, but I'm not having another one again as it don't seem to work very well. So anyway, going back to this review, this is from Amazon. I'll leave a link below, but it's very hard to find temperature control kettles that look quite nice, so they have a nice appearance, because generally they're quite ugly, and the ones that look nice are also very expensive. Now this was about £49 from Amazon, and it's temperature controlled, but also I wanted one that was BPA free. So in other words, it hasn't got any of the harsh plastic chemicals in there that when you have your kettle switched on are going to leach into your water. So always make sure, if you are looking for a kettle, I recommend looking for one that is BPA free. So the box on here is pretty plain, not a lot going on. I went for this colour. They do 3 colours, a chrome and like a light green as well. So it's got a bit of information about the company. I've never heard of this company before, but the reviews are pretty decent on Amazon. So it shows here that it's got a removable descaling filter, and you get one free with it as well. LCD display, 360 base, perfect pour spout. I mean, I don't know if that's really a feature, but anyway, coated in a stainless steel housing, ergonomic, easy grip handle, and it is also BPA free, which it doesn't actually say on here, but it did say that on the Amazon instructions. It comes with a 2-year guarantee, which is pretty good as well. And that's it on the box. So let's just get this out and see what it looks like. So inside you have got, shows you the 3 different colours. I do actually like this colour, but I think for my kitchen, this kind of charcoal colour will be better. And I don't think I really need to look at the instructions in that, but they give you a bunch of stuff, how to make a perfect tea. That's that in there. So that's what you get there. And inside it's all nicely wrapped. So you've got a standard lid, which is great because I'm sick of these sorts where you have to press the button and they don't work. This is just one that you pull off. Now some of the reviews said that these can be, you have to use 2 hands to pull these off. But I think, as long as you've got a reasonable amount of strength, that shouldn't be a problem. And then we've actually got the kettle inside here, which has got this kind of fake wood effect. Now some people have said they don't like that look, they don't like the fake wood, but I liked it, I like the look of it, and actually in person it looks pretty decent. It doesn't look fake, it actually looks like real wood, but yeah, let me just get this out of the plastic bag. Okay, so this is what the kettle looks like outside the plastic container. It's got a little metal badge here, some silver along the bottom, and here you got your measuring area, and I've just filled up 2 cups of water, so I'll show you what that works, how that works in a moment. And on the back it's got a little LCD cover which tells you the current temperature of the water, and that's interesting actually. That's the water I've just put in, so it actually tells you the temperature of the current water, which is great. And then we've got these kind of plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature that you want them at. So I imagine that you have to press this button first, and that keeps it warm. So that button there keeps it actually at a certain temperature, and then I think you can adjust what you want the value to be at. So I often have my temperature at 80 degrees for my herbal teas, okay, and obviously that will switch it on. I'm just going to keep that switched off for a moment because I haven't got the lid on. So that's inside, and it's got this filter, and you also get a spare filter as well, which is nice. So let's just, I'll just go and spin around this side as well. So let's just put the lid on and see how long this takes to boil the water. So I'm going to just switch it on, and it's now flashing with this little kind of steam icon there. And what I'm going to do is, I'm obviously not going to leave this to boil, but just so you can hear the sound, I will fast forward this in the video and let you know how long it took to boil kind of 2 cups worth of water. So you can hear it coming on now. Talking at the same loudness I was talking before. So it's not too loud, but it is noticeable. Not the quietest kettle I've ever had. It's pretty quick actually, so I don't think I'm going to have to fast forward this. I'll just leave it to get to 100 degrees. Almost there. Just so you know as well, this is 3000 watts power output on this kettle. And it's getting there. Some steam coming out. It's interesting, it's still going, and it hasn't hit 100. Oh, now it has. It's beeping. Okay. And that was 100 degrees. Okay, so it took a little while at the end there to get to temperature, but it's now saying it's 100°C, which is great. It does do those 3 beeps. I do find it very annoying that these devices always beep. That kettle was ridiculous, the number of beeps I did, and I actually did a video about how I removed the beeper from this because it used to piss me off so much. But this kettle's not too bad, it just beeps when it's done, which is fine. But yeah, there you go guys. So that's the Haden kettle. It's got a really nice finish to it. It boils reasonably quickly. I'll put a timestamp on to let you know exactly how long that took. But yeah, it seems pretty decent. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know. I just think, let's just try what this does. Does this keep it up to temperature? Yeah, so this button here, you can set the temperature you'd like it to remain at, and then that will keep the water at that temperature. So you're going to go away for a while, or you're going to, you're going to need it to keep a temperature for some time if you're cooking. That can be a nice feature to keep it at temperature. So that's pretty decent. But yeah, like I said guys, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall catch you in the next video.